Hello viewers, welcome back again. Hope everybody is well. So guys, today I am back with a brand new video. So I'll today discuss about the OJA Coin project. So guys, today I'll show you how you can purchase this token on their pre-sale, how you can create a wallet. So guys, I'll show you now how to create a wallet here. So first of all, you need to visit this ojacoin.org, or here is a wallet link. You need to simply click on my wallet. You just simply click on my wallet, and after that you need to do some after that you need to create a account. Here you can see that I'm already login on my account, so I am now log out my account, and I'll show you how you can join this wallet create a system. So guys, here you can see that after you click on create wallet, after that you can see a interface like that. Here you can see that here you can need to input your name. Here you need to put your email. Here you need to input your password. Here you need to input your password confirmation. After that you need to simply click on I accept, and you need to click on sign up. After that you have received the email verification on your email, and after that you need to after that you need to log in on their website, and you need to put your here email and password. After that you need to log in, and after that you will show the dashboard of the OJA Coin wallet page. Here you can see that my dashboard of the OJA Coin blockchain dashboard. Here you can see that it's my dashboard of the OJA Coin blockchain. So guys, here you can see that I already purchased $386 OJA Coin. Here you can see that I already purchased 7,735 OJA Coin already on their public pre-sale, and I was purchased this token on 0.05 cents. So guys, right now OJA Coin price is very low because their pre-sale is ongoing, their pre-sale is running. So guys, it's the correct time to purchase this token, because after that they are going to be listing their token, and they have also another task. So guys, it's the time to purchase this token at the lower price, at the good price. So guys, here you can see that some token they already accepted, OJA Coin already accepted some coin. Here you can see that some big token already they accepted. Here you can see that first of all OJA, then Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Tether, Solana, USD, all of this token are already accepted by OJA Coin. You need to buy sell this token on this platform, on OJA Coin platform. Here you can see that the OJA Coin platform. So guys, so I'll now show you how you can purchase this token. So you need to just simply click on OJA Coin. It's the OJA Coin option. You need to just simply click on the OJA Coin option. After that you will see a interface like that. Here you can see that the interface of the OJA Coin. So guys, here you can see that I have already 3 OJA Coin wallet address. So it's all of address is my OJA Coin wallet address. If I want to deposit OJA Coin, I can deposit in any of these wallets. So guys, I will show you how you can purchase this token. So guys, here you can see that a buy option. Here you can see that a buy option. So guys, if you want to purchase this token, you must need to be KYC verified, I think, because they are not accepted without KYC verified user. So guys, you need to complete your KYC via this link. Here you can see that the profile option. There you can see that how you can purchase this token. Here you can see that you can purchase this token via this option. here you need to first deposit your token. Here you can see that your dollar. Here you can see that a fiat deposit option. Right now withdraw option is not open because the pre-sale is public sale is running now. So guys, if you want to purchase this token, you need to simply click on fiat deposit, and after that you can deposit, you need to deposit your dollars here. Here you can see that you can purchase this token via many methods. Here you can see that you can purchase this token via Coinbase commerce project. Here you can see that you can purchase this token via coin payments. Here you can see that some bank also. Here you can see that some bank. Here you can see that some bank. Here you can see that some bank. So guys, if you want to purchase this token via BNB or Ethereum or Sol, I will show you how you can purchase this token. You just need to simply click on USD and you need to wrote 100. If you want to purchase $100, you just need to simply minimum. So guys, you need to minimum purchase $125. It's the main rules of this project. Here you need to put 125, and after that you need to click on this pay with coin payments. If you want to make a payments via Coinbase, you can also payments via Coinbase. Here you can click anything about these two. I'll select Coinbase, and after that you need to click on continue, and after you click on continue, the page will redirect to the Coinbase option, and here you can see that the option. You have only 1 hour to complete the purchase. Here you can see that you can cancel. You can also cancel this payment here. So guys, after that you need to just simply click which coin we want to purchase. I just simply click on LTC, and after that here you can see that LTC address and the amount, how much amount you need to send this address. So guys, here you can see that a wallet address. You just need to copy this address, and you also need to copy this amount LTC, and you need to go to the Coinbase app or Coinbase website, and you just need to send this address at this address 0.81018 LTC, and after that you need to simply click on this, and you can redirect to complete your purchase. So guys, there is another way to purchase this token. Here you can see that you can also purchase this token via coin payments. Here you need to click on coin to continue, and you will redirect to a new website, and it's a coin payments website. So guys, it's a very good project. I think OJACOIN will be moon in future. OJACOIN is a blockchain. It has a very lower fees. It has a very fast transaction. So guys, OJACOIN will be a good thing in future because their plan is very good. Their plan is very honest. So guys, here you can see that after deposit you can purchase this token. Also here you can see that $125 you will get. Here you can see that if you right now my funds are 0, so therefore I couldn't make the purchase. But if you purchase this token, if you deposit your dollars, you need to just simply put your dollars here, and you will see the OJACOIN balance here, and you need to simply just click on buy. So that's all. You will receive your money from here. If you will receive your OJACOIN from here, and it's a very easy system. You have no need to put anything. You have no need to do anything. It's a very good, it's a very easy system to purchase this token. And right now the pre-sale is ongoing, guys. So guys, don't late, guys, hurry up to purchase this token, because their token will be listing very soon, and their plan, their roadmap, their aim is very good, very brilliant, very bullish. So guys, if you want to purchase this token, you have a very short time, because anytime they are stopped their pre-sale because they have already very much invested, the very much holders already they have. So guys, if you want to purchase this token, you can purchase this token. So guys, if you have any issue about the purchase, you can comment here, comment on this video description box. So guys, that's all of my video. I hope all of you will purchase this token because the token future is very good and bright, because it's a blockchain based project. It's a blockchain project. So guys, that's all of my video. I hope all of you will enjoy this video. Thank you so much to all of you. So guys, thank you all.